So, good morning, engineering buddies. So, here we go again on another series of our engineering tutorials under engineering mathematics. So, nakatapos tayo last time ng mixture problem. So, another problem, worded problem ulit tayo and work problems tayo ngayon. So, lahat naman tayo may problema sa work. Iba yun Iba yun guys, yung problema sa actual na trabaho. Ito work-related problems to na worded problems. So, mag-start tayo. Okay. So, similar to the age problem, mixture problem, number problems, walang specific formula ulit ang work problems. Pero may tatandaan lang tayong concept, no? The rate of work is equal siya sa 1 over the time to finish work. Kumbaga, pwede siyang magiging RT is equal to 1, no? Yung rate, yung R is that rate, T is the time to finish the work. Paano ba ginagawa yan? For example, si A daw, kapag kaya niyang trumabaho ng can do a job in 4 hours, kunwari. Then si B can do the same job in 8 hours. Kapag ang tanong, how many hours can they finish the job? So, di ba, ang rate ni A is 4 hours. So, gagawin nilang dyan is 1 over 4. Okay? 1 over time to finish the work. Si A, ang kaya niyang tumapos ng trabaho in 4 hours. Idadagdag mo lang yung pero, bago pala yan. Tapos, para sa concept natin, ita-times mo dito yung hinahanap na how many hours can they finish the job. So, yung T na to, ito yung time na kaya nilang tumapos ng trabaho pareho. So, kunwari si A, 1 over 4 plus si B naman is 1 over 8 T. Tapos, lagi mo tatandaan, 1 complete job is equal to 1. So, laging may 1 dyan. So, makakuha ka ng T dyan na sagot kung ano man yan. Yan yung time na kaya nilang tumapos ng trabaho ng sabay. Okay? So, lagi nyo natatandaan to. Rate is equal to 1 over time to finish the work. Yan. Tapos kapag na-apply nyo itong formula na to, balik kayo dito sa T, which is itong T na to, ito yung time to complete the job. Both, no? Yung pinagsamang rate na nila. So, try, para mas ma-explore pa natin yung ibig sabihin yan, isolve natin itong problem na to. Okay. First problem. Lumabas daw siya nung Mechanical Engineering Boards, April 1998. A pump can out a tank in 11 hours. Another pump can pump out the same tank in 20 hours. How long will it take to both pumps together to pump out the tank? So, sabihin na natin na let A be the pump 1. Tapos, ang rate niya daw is 11 hours. Kaya daw niyang mag-pump ng tubig ng 11. So, lagyan na natin na 1 over 11. Tapos, let B pump 2. Lagay na natin 1 over 20. Yan, di ba? How long will it take both pumps together to pump out the tank? So, apply lang natin natutunan na natin kanina. 1 over 11 times mo yung T, which is the T time 2 pump out the tank. If both pumps together. Puro pump, no? So, 1 over 11 T plus 1 over 20 T is equal to 1. Laging tatandaan na may 1 kasi it is time to complete the job. So, makakuha tayo dyan ng t. Pwede tayo mag-shift solve. Gamitin ulit natin itong ating pangmalakasan na scientific calculator. Alpha mode, 2 equations to ano, so 1. Hindi pala siya 2 equations to unknowns. Sorry guys. Ano na lang pala siya, yung shift solve. Sorry. Sabihin natin x na, vector na to. X over 11 plus x over 20. Apo. Isa pa guys. Sa calc guys, mabilis naman to. Mahirap lang mag ano sa dito sa laptop, no? Yan, shift solve. Meron ka daw 220 over 31, pero pag kinonvert mo yan, 220 over 31, pero pag inano mo siya, magiging 7 point something hours. Yan ang sagot natin. So, I believe ito siya, 7 hours. So, ganyan sinusolve ang work problems, guys, no? So, meron pa tayong further examples regarding work problems, no? So, don't forget to like and subscribe sa YouTube natin, guys, and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future na engineering tutorials natin. So, padayon, engineers.